Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the lost child. The story The Lost Child is based on a child's psychology. A child who is curious by nature. He is inquisitive about everything. He feels attracted by every beautiful thing at his surrounding. His innocent heart wishes to possess everything which looks attractive. However, he takes interest in these things only in the company of his parents. But when he is lost, these things lose their charm for him. The Lost Child is an interesting story which is written by Mulk Raj Anand. The author tries to explore the mind of a child. This story also highlights a child's love for his parents. In this story, a child wants to buy a number of things. He feels sad when his parents don't buy anything for him. But when he is separated from his parents, he loses interest in everything. It was the festival of spring. A large number of men, women, and children were going to the fair. They were dressed in new clothes. They were in a happy mood. A child was also going with his parents to the fair. He was very happy. He was attracted by various things. He lagged behind again and again. His parents called him to come along. The child ran and joined his parents. The child wished to buy a toy from a toy shop, but his father stared at him with his red eyes. That means the little child was excited because he was visiting the fair. This journey to the fair was overwhelming. On the way, he was often attracted by things which he witnessed in the fair. He was attracted by the toys displayed in the shop. He wanted to buy toys, but his parents refused to buy them. There were sweet shops in the fair and several types of sweets such as gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi were displayed in the plates. The child wanted to eat them. His favorite sweet was barfi. His mouth watered, but his parents paid no attention to his request. There was a mustard field on the way. The boy saw a beautiful butterfly in the field. He tried to catch in his hands. Parents again called him. After some time, the child's parents rested under a banyan tree near to well. The child began to gather the fallen petals. At last, they reached the fair. The child saw a sweet seller. He desired to have some barfi, but he knew that his father would not buy it for him. He would call him greedy. So he did not press his demand. He then wished to enjoy a juggler's trick. He also wanted to have balloons and flowers. But he knew that his parents would not agree to his demands. So he moved on along with them. Finally, he came to the place where a roundabout was in full swing. Men, women, and children are carried away in a whirling motion. They shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. The child also wanted to go on the roundabout. He made a request to fulfill his desire, but there was no reply from his parents. Actually, he was attracted by the roundabout. He stayed and watched the roundabout. To his surprise, when he returned to look for his parents, he did not find them. Actually, he was lost. He got extremely scared and started crying. He ran here and there but could not find them. Messi often walked behind his parents and sometimes he was attracted by things in the fair. He lagged behind his parents. In the meantime, his parents also gave him a call, "Come, child." come. And finally, he came to the place where a roundabout was in full swing. Men, women, and children are carried away. They shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. The child also wanted to go on the roundabout. He made a request to fulfill his desire, but there was no reply from his parents. Actually, he was attracted by the roundabout. He stayed and watched the roundabout. To his surprise, when he turned to look for his parents, he did not find them. Actually, he was lost. He rushed in panic to a shrine which was crowded with people. He tried to make his way through the feet of his crowded, but was knocked down and began crying loudly. A man heard his cries and rescued him from being trampled. Lifting the little boy in his arms, the kind man asked him how had he got there and whose baby he was. The scared child did not answer and kept crying and asking for his parents. The good man tried to soothe him and took him to the roundabout, offering to get him a ride on the horse, but the child did not want anything else other than his mother and father. The man took the inconsolable child to the snake charmer, the balloon seller, and the flower seller one by one. He offered to fulfill all wishes that he had made just a little while ago. But the child turned down all the offers. He just wanted his parents and nothing else. That means a kind man from the crowd forward and picked him up in his arms. He was ready to buy all the things he wanted earlier, but he refused them. He only said, I want my mother and I want my father. Theme of the story. This story concentrates on the universality of a child's desire for everything. It is a short story about a child, his aspiration, demands, and realization. The story is mainly focused on the awareness of parents. The message is we really don't understand the true value of parents and take them as granted. The significance of parents is only revealed once they are out of sight and we realize that the world is upside down. That is what the little child realized once he got lost in a fair. The ending is emotional as the reader keeps on guessing whether the lost child would have finally found his parents or not. After reading this chapter, if we compare the attitude of the child before and after his separation from his parents, then parents are the most lovable to the child. It is of no worth how they are, but they are the one who matter the most. Be they kind of strict or liberal, but they are just valuable. When parents are with the child, he feels secure and safe. He has a sense of protection and he knows that with them none can harm him. There remains no fear and no apprehension at all with the parents. Before separation from his parents, the child was happy and excited, fascinated with what he saw in the fair. He wanted to have toys, balloons, sweets, flowers, and a ride on the roundabout. But after separation from his parents, he was panic stricken and his mood changed completely. He started crying, full of fear of what would happen now. When a kind hearted man offered all the things that he liked, he refused everything. He only wanted his parents, as in their absence, all things had become useless to him. He just wanted his parents with him. He did not want anything eatable or any joy whatsoever. His sole demand was his parents, whom he was continuously missing. That's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss about our next chapter. Thank you.